Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error in Fortnite. Let's dive right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher. Simply search for it in the Start menu and click to open it. Once inside the Epic Games launcher, find Fortnite. Click on the three dots next to it and then select Manage. Under the Installation section, click on Open Store Location. This will take you to Fortnite's game files. From here, open the Fortnite folder, then go to Binaries, followed by Win64, and finally EasyAntiCheat. Inside the EasyAntiCheat folder, right-click on EasyAntiCheat_setup.x and select Create Shortcut. If the shortcut appears on your desktop instead of in the folder, drag it back into this folder. Now right-click the shortcut and select Properties. In the target field, go to the very end, add a space, and then type Repair. Click OK to save the changes. Finally, double-click on the shortcut to run the Easy Anti-Cheat installer. Click Yes when prompted and let it finish installing. Now, launch Fortnite and the issue should be resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick fixes, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.